Good afternoon guys and welcome to another video. So today we're going to be talking about how we can create a subscriber link for our viewers. The reason we want to be doing this is to make it as easy as possible for any of our viewers to subscribe, whether it's on this platform right here or on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or your email marketing list. We're going to be doing this in the following way. So in the description box below I've added a little code, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to our YouTube channel and adding this code to the end of the URL. By doing this, we are creating a subscriber link. So when we share this link with our viewers and they click on this link, it's going to take them directly to our channels and prompt them to subscribe. This obviously increases our hit rate of subscribers by making it so much easier for our viewers to subscribe. Now, you can see it's quite a lengthy code. What I recommend we do is we make this code a lot shorter. We can do this by going to a website called bit.ly, it's bit.ly, and we're going to be creating a free account on this website. This website allows you to track and create shorter links. Once we've created our account on bit.ly, we're going to be going over to the top right hand corner, clicking create, pasting the URL into the correct box. You can see it automatically shortens the URL for us. This is the URL that we are going to be sharing with our viewers. We're also going to be wanting to name this so it makes it easier for us to be able to know what we're tracking. So you can just simply say there YouTube subscribers, and this allows you to see how many people are actually clicking on this link that you are sharing. So we obviously want to add this onto our YouTube channel as well, and you can do this by adding it to the channel art section. We can also add our subscriber button over there to encourage and suggest to our viewers that they should subscribe. So how you get to this is you'll click on the about section of someone's channel. You'll see all their links at the bottom. To edit this, you say customize channel. At the bottom you will find a whole bunch of links that you've added for your channel. Click on the edit button, add in a subscribe to my channel or subscribe and the URL on the right hand side. Once you've done this, click save, and voila, you will now be able to see this on your channel art. Hey guys, so if there's someone else that's starting a YouTube channel and you think that this might help them, remember to share it with them. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button if that's something you're into, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.